Are you looking to boost your real-time customer engagement and get the most out of Mailchimp? In this video, we'll show you how to use Mailchimp for real-time customer engagement in a way that'll keep your audience hooked, drive conversions, and improve customer satisfaction. Stick around until the end for an exclusive extended free trial to Mailchimp with some amazing bonuses. Mailchimp has grown far beyond being just an email marketing tool. It's a platform that allows you to actively engage with your customers in real time, enhancing the overall experience. And if you're looking to level up your engagement strategies, Mailchimp provides several features that can give you the edge. First things first, Mailchimp's automation features are a game changer when it comes to real-time engagement. With the platform, you can set up workflows that trigger based on customer behavior. Whether it's a welcome email after someone subscribes or an abandoned cart reminder that gets sent when a user leaves items in their cart, this level of automation ensures you're responding instantly to customer actions, creating a personalized experience at the perfect moment. Next thing, let's talk about Mailchimp's powerful segmentation tools. Instead of sending one generic message to everyone on your list, segmentation allows you to target specific groups with tailored content. You can segment your audience based on factors like purchase history, location, or engagement level. This means that your messages are more relevant, timely, and impactful, leading to a much higher level of customer interaction and engagement. The third thing you'll love about Mailchimp is its real-time reporting and analytics. With these insights, you can track how your emails are performing as they're being sent, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly. Whether it's tweaking the subject line to increase open rates or adjusting the call to action to get more clicks, you can optimize your strategy in real time, ensuring that every campaign is as effective as possible. Moving on, Mailchimp also allows you to easily integrate with a wide range of apps and services, allowing you to create a seamless experience for your customers across multiple platforms. Whether you're using e-commerce platforms, CRM tools, or social media, the integrations ensure that your messages can reach customers wherever they are in real time. And the last thing I want to mention is Mailchimp's dynamic content feature. This tool lets you personalize emails with dynamic content blocks based on customer data. For example, you can automatically insert a customer's name, recent purchase, or location into an email to make it feel more like a personal conversation than a mass marketing message. By using Mailchimp for real-time customer engagement, you're not just sending emails, you're creating interactive, personalized experiences that keep your customers engaged with your brand. If you're ready to start using Mailchimp and take your engagement to the next level, you can sign up for a completely free account with the link below and get exclusive bonuses that will help you get started faster. Remember, Mailchimp's real-time features aren't just for big businesses. No matter the size of your company, you can leverage these tools to provide top-notch, timely engagement that builds long-term customer relationships. If you're interested in a more extensive experience, check out the extended free trial with the bonus link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your real-time customer engagement with Mailchimp. You'll see real results that boost your marketing efforts and keep your customers coming back for more.